So Zhengxu, do you remember how we started to collaborate?
I think we started to collaborate in 2017 when I was a postdoc in University of Chicago and you are in a postdoc in University of Michigan.
Yeah.
Actually, both the two labs had a long-term collaboration because your professor used to be the postdoc in my lab. So actually we are in the same academic family tree,
Yeah.
right? So when we go back, I joined Beijing Institute of Technology, and you became a professor here, the University of Perugia, right?
Yeah.
And so we continue our collaboration. And
Yeah, but actually with your visit here and with this opportunity, it's the first time we really meet in person. So
Right.
That's good.
yeah.
What's your research focus now?
Actually, I'm an organic chemist. I synthesize some organic conjugated molecules and investigate their optical property and use it for bioimaging and also to do some photoreaction based on this material.
So that's good because instead I'm a physical chemist and I do spectroscopy. I use spectroscopy to investigate the luminescence mechanism in these molecules. So our different expertise match very well in a scientific collaboration. How do you feel about these days in Perugia?
It's pretty good. I think like China here also have a long history and the city was also very beautiful. And I also have chance to visit your lab and we have a good discussion about our future collaboration and the project. I also take some sample here to do some measurement. It's very good. And also I gave a seminar yesterday afternoon and have discussion with the other professor and the students here. And it's also very good chance to meet the vice rector, Professor Alice, and we talk about something about the collaboration between the two universities actually, and we may sign some framework agreement for the student exchange between the two universities. So I think this meeting is it's helpful not only for my for our two labs, but also very good for the two universities.
Yep. What do you think about international collaborations? Do you think it's important to work together with people with different expertise?
I think so, because people from different countries, they have different culture, they have different background. So we may do something. Let's give us something new idea, such as I prepare the materials and you can help me to investigate their optical property, the luminescence mechanism for light. So I learn I can further use it for some new applications. So such as I did some bioimaging for the cancer and also some photodynamics recipe for the cancer. So we can collaborate, and I know how to prepare the material, you know what's the luminescence mechanism, and I can then use it for some further application.
Yeah, because if you understand better the mechanism, maybe then, and this information I can give to you, can be helpful for you to design better performing materials, right, in future studies.
Yeah, I think so.
So, Zhengxu, which city do you come from and what is your institution like?
Actually, I'm from Beijing, the capital of China. That's also a city with a long history. And also I work in the Beijing Institute of Technology. This was a new institute, actually a new university. But we have a lot of people. We have more than 10,000 students in my campus. So that's very, actually, our department was very good. The ESI ranking is about 47 around the world, about around 10 in China. So let's welcome the students to visit our university.
Okay, so I think we can meet later in the evening to have dinner with other 2 professors from our department and 2 students from my group, a postdoc and a master student. So we can have a final dinner tonight together and in the city center. So I hope it will be a nice location and you can enjoy some good food in a nice Italian restaurant. And so tomorrow you can go back.
Okay, I'm looking forward.
Okay.
So.
See you.